Today, we are going to learn a new chapter from Geography, Chapter 6 Manufacturing Industries. Before that, if you are yet to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. So let us go into the chapter. Now, what do you mean by manufacturing? Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. That is when we are transforming the basic raw materials into the more valuable products. That is what we call manufacturing. That means we are cultivating rice in agriculture as a primary activity, and when we convert rice into flour or other value added products, then it is coming under manufacturing. The value of products is increasing, the value of products are increasing, so that is called manufacturing. Okay. Like sugarcane, when you are processing sugarcane into sugar or jaggery, then the value addition is done, the value is added, its value has increased, so that is what we call manufacturing. As you all know, we are having three basic economic activities: primary activity, secondary activity, and tertiary activity. Under primary activity, agriculture, mining, quarrying, everything related to the natural resources. The economic activities related to natural resources are coming. Then second one, secondary sector, manufacturing, producing sector, industrial sector. So all the small, medium scale industries, large scale industries are coming under manufacturing. Then third sector is the service sector. Under service sector, banking, tourism, insurance, trade, commerce, all these things are coming. All these activities are coming. So people who are doing job in the secondary activities manufacture the primary materials into finished goods. As I told you before, they are transforming primary materials into the finished product. I told you sugarcane is converted into sugar and other value added goods like jaggery, sugar, then other products. Okay, so that is what we call manufacturing. Now, the workers employed in steel factories, car, breweries called the place where beer is made. Then textile industries, bakeries, etc. fall into this category. Okay, for example, take the case of bakery. When it is wheat or maida, it is simply flour. But when you are converting it into biscuits or cake, the value of products are increased. That is, you have to pay more price. That means why you are paying more price? Because the value has increased. So all these activities or all these sectors are coming in the secondary sector or manufacturing sector. Some people are employed in providing services in this chapter, like teacher, lawyer, doctor, etc. But in this chapter, we are mainly concerned with manufacturing industries which fall in the secondary sector. We are focusing on secondary sector and we are focusing on industry. The economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. If industrial sectors are not there, then our GDP growth rate would be minimum. The economic strength of a country, that is the national income, everything would be low if proper industries are not there, if the number of industries are less. More industry means more industrial development, more employment opportunities, more income generated in the economy, and more prosperity to the country. That is why we are telling the economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Okay, so more people are getting job, more value added products are added into the economy. So if there are only agriculture exists, then value addition is not possible. Okay, the thing which is produced in primary sector are not having high value. So once you are converting it into high value, then it can be sold in market at a higher price. When it is sold at higher price, people should have sufficient income to buy. If people need income, then they should be employed in industries. They should get the job. So in that way, the economic strength, economic prosperity of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. So that is the importance. Okay, now let us move into the next area, the importance of manufacturing. One sentence that is given there. That is, we learned before, the economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Now, points are given here in examination. Question can be asked, what is the manufacturing and what is the importance of manufacturing? Now, manufacturing industries not only help in modernizing agriculture, which forms the backbone of our economy, they also reduce heavy dependence of the people on agricultural income by providing them jobs in the secondary and tertiary sector. So they help in modernizing agriculture. How? Tractors, harvesters, better quality seeds, agricultural implements, etc. can be implemented in agriculture because of the presence of industries. Okay, in industries, various agriculture tools, implements are produced and it can be used in agriculture, and agriculture can be modernized. Previously, a lot of agriculture was labor intensive and more people were involved in agriculture, but now agriculture has modernized. Why? How agriculture is modernized? Because of the mechanization. Then they also reduce the heavy burdens of people on agricultural income. India, which is a populous country, majority of the people are depending on farming. If more people are involved in farming, the productivity of farming sector, agricultural sector would be minimum. Okay, we all have heard about disguised unemployment. That is, in a small piece of land itself, you can see 100 or 200 of people are working at the same time, but their productivity level, the final output would be less. So it should not happen. It will affect the economic performance of our country. And agriculture is the backbone of our economy, and we need agriculture to be developed. So in order to develop agriculture, in order to increase the productivity in agriculture, we need industries. Now, second one, industrial development is a precondition for the eradication of employment and poverty from our country. Eradication of unemployment means removal of unemployment and removal of poverty. So our country is a populous country. Here population is very, very high. So agricultural sector cannot absorb all the labor or all the people. So in order to give employment opportunities, we need to set up a lot of industries. So with the coming up of industries, you can remove unemployment and poverty from our country. This was the main philosophy behind public sector industries and joint sector ventures in India. Public sector industries means the government sector industries. So government is investing money without looking at profit. The government is investing money or putting in money without looking profit. So we can start industries anywhere in our country, even in backward areas, because the aim of government is not profit, social welfare. So government can start industries in backward area. People living in backward areas will get the job, their income would improve, and employment opportunities will be generated. It can also bring down regional disparities, regional imbalances by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Okay, so when government is investing money in backward area, tribal area, those regions will develop and there will be reduction of regional imbalances. Otherwise, big cities would grow and small cities won't grow. So there should be balanced development. All the regions should develop. So in order to bring balanced regional development, we should set up industries in backward and tribal areas. So who will set up industries in backward and tribal areas? Only government will set up. Why government will set up? Because it is the responsibility of the government to bring social welfare to all the sections of people living in a country. So that is public sector industries. And joint sector ventures means mixed private public partnership. Okay, so private industries or private sector will invest money in cities only, Yeah, places where all the infrastructural facilities are available. But in the case of public sector or joint sector, they are ready to invest money in backward and tribal area. Now, export of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce. So if excess amount of goods are produced in our country, then you can export, and it will bring money into our country. Then commerce, business activities can be increased, or business activities would flourish, and you will get foreign exchange. Foreign exchange means foreign money. So when you are exporting goods to foreign countries, you are selling goods to foreign countries, and you are getting foreign money in return. Now, countries that transform their raw materials into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value are prosperous. So as I told you before, when you are converting raw materials into final products, like sugarcane into sugar, then bamboo products, a lot of things are there, like wood. You can make variety of goods from wood, and other things are also there, like from the minerals itself. You are digging out the mineral, and you can make machineries from those minerals. So a wide variety of finished goods, furnished goods, can be produced in industrial sector, and they are having higher value, and you can export these goods for getting more foreign exchange. And India's prosperity, or when will India become a developed nation? So when it will become a developed nation, when it will be able to increasing and diversifying its manufacturing industry. So whenever they are able to increase, and when they are able to diversify the manufacturing industries, they would be possible to attain economic development. So that is the importance of manufacturing sector. Okay, so these 4 points are coming. And what is manufacturing? Importance of manufacturing. So very important. Now, interrelationship between agriculture and industry. Actually, how agriculture and industry are interrelated, or how they are depending on each other. So agriculture industry are not exclusive of each other. Exclusive means they cannot remain alone. They move hand in hand. For instance, for example, the agro industries. Agro industries are those industries which are depending on agriculture. So agro industries in India have given a major boost to agriculture by raising its productivity. I told you, by bringing machines in agricultural sector, the productivity has increased. What do you mean by productivity? The output, the production of goods and services has increased with the coming up of machines. Before machines, the production was less, but with the coming up of machines and all, larger scale production is possible. They depend on the latter for raw materials. That is, industries are depending on agriculture sector for getting raw material. Then they can sell their product, irrigation pump, fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, plastic and PVC pipes, machines and tools, etc. to farmers. That is, industries are producing these material, and they can sell these products to the agriculture sector. Okay, so industries depending on agriculture sector for getting raw material and for selling its product, and agriculture needed machines for its modernization. Thus, development and competitiveness of manufacturing industry has not only assisted agriculturists in increasing their production, but also made the production processes very efficient. Okay, so output has increased, and also it became very efficient. Okay, quality has also improved a lot in agricultural sector. Now, challenges before the industrial sector. In the present day world of globalization, our industry needs to be more efficient and competitive. Now, all the countries are focusing on industrial sector, are focusing on manufacturing, and they are all producing a variety, diversified products. So we have to make our production efficient. That is, we have to increase the qualitative level. We have to improve our quality. Then only we would be able to compete in the market, because it is a globalized world. Globalized world means countries are depending on each other. Okay, and self-sufficiency alone is not enough. Okay, you can produce whatever you want, you can produce because you are having money, technology, etc. But that is not enough. You have to compete with others. Then only industrial development is possible. our manufactured goods must be at par in quality with those in the international market. So we have to compete with other countries. So if we want to prosper, if we want to earn foreign exchange, then our goods should be at par in quality. It should be in high quality. Then only we will be able to compete in the international market. So these are the challenges before the industrial sector. So how they would become efficient, how they would become competitive, how they should increase or why they should increase the quality, etc. So what is manufacturing? What is the importance of manufacturing and the challenges before the industrial sector? Hopefully you understood the topic. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you.